Hi everyone, hope all is well. In today's video, I will share demo of one of my recent project I did for my client. From the image you can get the idea. It's about sending messages in inbox and save time and money. So this is the website, and basically the client want to open each apartment. Then on that each apartment comes to the company section. Click on architect, then click on contact. It will pop up this form. Type the message and last step, click on send button. These are the steps the client want to automate. Now let me share a demo just of sending one message with the help of automation tool I did for this. So let me run it. So first it will open the browser in which we are already logged in. Then it will go the company contact person form, then type the message. At the end, click on send button. So here you can see it's loading. Now the contact page load. It will type the message, you can see. And at the end, and click button. Now it's loading the inbox section. So it takes a little time because there are a lot of messages. So that's why. If you have manual task and want save your precious time and money, just DM me. Stay tuned for more interesting video. Bye for now. Thank you for watching the video.